KZI. What can we do for you? Oh, you want to talk about how Flutter is a terrible person?
No. 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 One.
Damage Shattered Dreams by Johnny Hates Jazz just played on Smooth 91.5 and I just missed it. Now it's playing Adele. What would Pinumple Collectivity do with Indecent Obsession? David Dixon. Kiss Me. That song. Don't you think Kiss Me by Indecent Obsession would play? Thinking of it. Their first album cover shows the members in wetsuit. Now, what about the CKS band? Imagine doing that idea. That's actually much better than the rejected cover art where the printer kit just humps the printer. Too much George Michael. Might as well play I Want Your Sex there. Instead of a model, it shows the printer kit naked with the printer. And yes, the printer covered the printer kit. You know what? Yeah, but what does John Stevens has to do with the Melbourne K-Guy Idols thing? Is it the music you wanted? So, we love our music. We can play anything. Like this one.
I am the one, no way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Or maybe the forgotten ones. Like this one.
Oh shit, oh my bad.
How did Gain got the Noah Grag song photo? Gain is the same age as Connor Zilius and William Sordalig.